Hi, friends. Have you ever seen a bee buzzing around flowers or a butterfly resting on a petal? Guess what? They're not just looking for fun. They're helping plants in an amazing way called pollination. Today, let's find out how insects and flowers work together like a dream team. Inside flowers, there's a golden dust called pollen. It's super tiny but very important. Flowers need pollen to make seeds and fruits. Without pollen, we wouldn't have many of the tasty foods we love. When bees and butterflies land on flowers to sip sweet nectar, pollen sticks to their bodies like little yellow sparkles. When they fly to the next flower, they drop off some of that pollen, helping plants grow. This teamwork between flowers and insects is called pollination. Thanks to insects, flowers can make seeds, which grow into new plants. That means more fruits, more veggies, and more beautiful flowers in the world. Now it's quiz time. Question 1. What do we call the golden dust inside flowers? Question 2. What do insects carry from one flower to another? Question 3. Why is pollination important for plants and us? Wasn't that amazing? Next time you see a bee or butterfly, remember, they're nature's little helpers making sure our world is full of plants, fruits, and flowers. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Kiddie Science Toon adventures. Bye-bye.